In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage pre-orders in your Wix store using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. We'll start by going to wix.com and logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply follow the prompts to create one before continuing. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site dashboard and click on the Edit Site button. This will take you into the Wix editor where you can make changes to your website's design and settings. Within the Wix editor, you need to go to the Pages and Menu section. This area allows you to control the structure and organization of your site, essentially how your visitors navigate through your content. From here, head over to Store Pages to manage all aspects of your online store. This feature is especially useful if you're handling a variety of products or categories. Next, click on the product page. This is the part of your store that showcases each of your products in detail, providing customers with the information they need to make a purchase decision. After you're on the product page, select Manage Products. You'll see a list of all the products you offer. From this list, you'll want to select the specific product that you aim to make available for pre-order. Once you've chosen the product, click on Edit Product to bring up its settings. Under the settings, adjust the product settings. In this section, focus on inventory and availability. If you're ready to accept pre-orders, toggle the in-stock option, making sure customers can place orders despite the item not being currently available. It's also a good idea to add a note in the product name or description, such as pre-order ships on date. Don't forget to click on Save once you've made those adjustments. This will ensure your changes are safely stored and ready for the next steps. If you want to go a step further, you can customize the Buy button. Instead of the usual Add to Cart, you might prefer it to say Pre-order Now. This can be achieved by returning to the editor, selecting the product page, then clicking on the Add to Cart button. Edit the text accordingly, and this feature can help clarify to customers that they're placing pre-orders. Within the product description, it's crucial to inform customers about the availability details, mentioning the estimated shipping or release date and your refund or cancellation policy for pre-orders. This transparency enhances customer trust and clarifies expectations up front. Once everything looks good, click on Preview to see your changes in action, then Publish to update your live site. After publishing, it's always wise to test the checkout flow to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, once you confirm that everything is perfect, click on All. Congratulations, you've successfully set up pre-orders on your Wix store.